Alright guys, so we're now here at the venue. We'll set this off with our balloon. So this is from ubackdraft.com. If you want to find out where to get this, please visit their website at www.ubackdraft.com to get this nice sturdy backdrop stand. And guys, please use our code BAMBAM10 to get a 10% discount. That's BAMBAM10 to get a 10% discount. Alright, so we will put this curtain. So I end up using this one because our rod is too thick, too big of a circumference, and it's not gonna fit here. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'll attach this here using our zip tie. So on the bottom part of the curtain, I use another 1/2 inch PVC, wrap it around the bottom part, and again secure it with a tie wrap or a zip tie. And on the side, I just use clip, one on each side, and secure it to the balloon stand. Now it's time to decorate this with balloons. So I actually prepped some of the balloons at home, as you can see here. The plan was to connect this all together like a balloon snake at home, but then it's not gonna fit in my car, so that's what I end up doing, attach them together at the venue. So I have the fishing line. I will attach this. We have our 260 balloon. By the way, I forgot to show you how to make the snake. So you just make quads and then attach them all together using your fishing line. Just like this. Like that. We got some quads, a 260 balloon attached to here. top of this. We have 5 inches balloon, make into quad. You can either use rubber band, put it here, or you can also use 260 balloon, tie it to your quad and attach it to your garland. There you go, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye!